HydroPark 3130 and 3230 are the latest version of 4-post stacker parking lift developed by Mutrade. HydroPark 3 series have a 3 floors model and a 4 floors model. The new HydroPark 3 series are adopted the sharing post feature to save cost and spaces. More units can be combined in a line to save land space and cost. When you install HydroPark 3130 or 3230 side by side, we call the first unit with 4 posts Unit A, and the rest unit with 2 posts Unit B. HydroPark 3130 and 3230 are valet parking lifts. Cars have to be driven onto platforms one by one, and all the below spaces need to be cleared if the top car need to be retrieved. HydroPark 3130 and 3230 are the good solution to storage different types of vehicles, like sedan, SUV, van and pickup truck. There is key switch to operate the equipment, and a handle to release locked manually. Mechanical locks are on the post to lock the cylinder and prevent platforms from falling. Once platform reach the top position, the cylinder will hit the limit switch, then machine will stop at the targeted position. The posts and platforms are enforced to take bigger cars. The rated capacity for each platform is 3,000 kilograms, which fit almost all type of cars. HydroPark 3130 and 3230 are the stronger, safer and more reliable stacker parking equipments. All equipment brought you by Mutrade, a professional mechanical parking solution provider.